Where is the entrance to the museum? Where is the entrance to the museum? He went home. He went home. We thought that you were married. We thought that you were married. I received your letter. I received your letter. Anything to drink? Anything to drink? How unlucky you are. How unlucky you are. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Get me a chair, please. Get me a chair, please. He wants to close his account. He wants to close his account. Who is driving? Who is driving? Come and help us. Come and help us. What do you usually do on Sundays? What do you usually do on Sundays? This is my son. This is my son. Why did you leave your job? Why did you leave your job? Were they busy yesterday? Were they busy yesterday? Is he Japanese? Is he Japanese? He is awkward. He is awkward. His brother looks young. His brother looks young. He is free now. He is free now. How much is the fare? How much is the fare? I mean no harm. I mean no harm. What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? Keep an eye on the bags. Keep an eye on the bags. What time do you finish your work? What time do you finish your work? Do you see him often? Do you see him often? English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn. Can you play tennis? Can you play tennis?